We decided that we would get married in November. Christmas is the following month. The following month, January, is both our birthdays. Then what we did on top of that, we decided we would have our annual cabin trip in February. At some point, I'm gonna be on somebody's stage, make some of these dollars back. Because, honey, November, December, January, February, woo, that is a lot. So. Hey y'all, so today I'm out and about. I am running a few errands and I was like, let me get a... Hold on. Yes, do you guys have the grilled cheese?
The grilled cheese?
Mm-hmm.
I do have that grilled cheese for you.
Okay, so let me have a grilled cheese and a grande iced caramel coffee with 4 sugars. About actually, let me have the cream on the side, please.
No worries.
Yeah. Did I say 4 Splendors? 4 Splendors.
4 Splendors.
Yes.
What else for you today?
That would be all.
Well, let's see if one does.
All right. So I have a few errands to run today, guys. I hope y'all can see me. So I actually have the camera turned the other way. Hold on while I get my app. Thank you. All right, guys. So I have the car in park because I need to mix my coffee. If I'm just having a regular coffee, I have to put my cream on the side, because it's never really right. Now if I'm getting a specialty coffee, I let them do their thing. Yeah, so let me mix that. I'm real funny, I don't like coffee with a lot of cream in it because I like to consider myself a real coffee drinker. So I like it a little dark, if you will. So kind of like that. That is perfect, actually. So anyway, guys, I was headed to Home Goods. Babe called me and she's like, how do you feel about going to get your AirPods fixed or looked at? Because the AirPods that she got me for my anniversary gift, one of them just stopped working. I don't know what happened. Trying to get some good light on. Okay. I don't know what happened, but one of them just stopped working. So originally today I had plans on finishing cleaning the house, getting it ready for the holidays. Apparently we're back into that groove. I had stopped going all crazy over the holidays again, but babe has really been bit by the holiday bug, the Christmas bug. And honestly, Christmas has always been one of my favorite holidays. But because the boys are not small anymore, I kind of stopped doing, the 9 or 10 yards or whatever you want to call it all over again or all together. So I'm starting that back up. I don't want to say going all out, but we are going to celebrate the holiday this year. Prior to her interrupting me, like my beautiful wife always does, the original plan was to go to Home Goods because she wants to decorate the mantle, the fireplace. I was not gonna do that part. Like I said, she's all in this year. I love seeing inside of her. I love her taking charge, so I am just going with it. I am really enjoying seeing her in her festive spirit, holiday spirit, so I'm gonna go with the flow. So that being said, I was gonna run to Home Goods and try either Home Goods or Hobby Lobby. I have not been to Hobby Lobby this season, surprisingly, but I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby and I'm going to see if I can find some Christmas ornaments to put in these vases or whatever you want to call them that I have on the fireplace. That idea I got from Shanice. Thought that was really cute. Mine are not holiday vases, but they are champagne gold, which is one of the colors that we're going with this year. And I also want to change up some of the pillows in our formal living area. So I ordered some, but I do want to look at some more pillows in store to see if I have a different feel. Funny thing is, y'all, fun fact, the pillows that I have in our family room is the exact look that I want. So I'm thinking about stealing those and put them in the formal and maybe swap out something. We'll see. Also, I was going to go to Jared's because, as you guys can see, I have not been wearing my wedding gift, which is my favorite necklace, or my wedding earrings. I'm saying my wedding gift my earrings that I got as a wedding gift. And as y'all heard the shade on the last video, this thing felt the need to include how I'll be wearing that. Oh, she ready for me to stop wearing the other necklace. So that being said, I am going to Jared. I'm gonna have them clean my wedding ring. I haven't had that cleaned, I think, in about 6 months, I think. So it's time. I'm gonna have my wedding ring clean. I am going to go to Home Goods. She's making me a 3 o'clock appointment at Cumberland Mall. I believe I'm going to the Apple store in Cumberland. After that, she's actually calling me. After that, I'm gonna head home. I do have a couple returns, but I'm not gonna have time to do that today. I'm gonna head home and start downstairs cleaning, pulling out the rest of the Christmas items, and I will vlog that for you guys as well. If not taking them out, we would definitely vlog us setting up the Christmas tree and taking Christmas pictures this year. We're gonna do our own photos, our own DIY photos, so wish us luck. Babe also ordered us Christmas pajamas, so I am excited about that. I love this take charge spirit that she's in. I'm here for it. I'm all in for it. I'm loving it, and it takes a lot off of me because I am really overwhelmed. You guys know we have our annual cabin trip coming up in February. Our birthdays are in January. I feel like I'm rambling, but I'm just trying to tell you guys all what we have going on, why I am feeling overwhelmed. Our birthdays are in January, Christmas of course, then the cabin trip in the first week of February, and then Valentine's Day, which I am not necessarily big on Valentine's Day, but you guys know and have seen that my wife is. Toya's very big on pretty much all the holidays, so pray for us because we decided that we would get married in November. Christmas is the following month. The following month, January, is both our birthdays. Then what we did on top of that, we decided we would have our annual cabin trip in February. At some point, I'm gonna be on somebody's stage, make some of these dollars back. Because, honey, November, December, January, February, woo, that is a lot. So pray for your girl. Stay tuned. I parked my black ass under this tree across the street from this car wash thinking that the lighting was good. So I'm hoping that this lighting is good, because I promise y'all I'm trying to deliver you guys quality content. Bear with me. I am not an IT person, but I am a fast learner. I'm OCD about a lot of things, so one of the things that I'm adding to the list is giving you guys quality content. So stay tuned. I'm gonna let y'all know how this grilled chicken. Matter of fact, let me get into it right now, because I have never had the grilled cheese. This thing cost me $6, so I'm gonna let y'all know how it tastes. Hold on. That's really good, guys. Really good. Buttery. I love butter. That's really good. Okay. I'm making them in. So y'all stay tuned. I might bring y'all in when I go with Jared. And then, of course, get my phone fixed. Stay tuned.
Ring repair.
No, ring clean and
ring
necklace
clean
repair.
and necklace repair.
Your jewelry.
Okay.
Have you shot with this before?
I have, and I've had a repair here before as well, and cleaning.
I need to go in our system. What's your phone number?
954-665-5. Yes.
Is your email still up to date?
Yeah, nothing changed.
So we're having a necklace repair, and these are just cleanings here.
Yes. And possibly purchase a screw back for this one.
So we'll see. So a lot of times you can purchase the back, but it won't fit that post.
Okay.
So I'll see if we may have the back for it, or you may have to do post and back.
Okay.
So,
Well, I have something at home, so if it's not exactly
Of
the
course.
fit, then yeah, we don't have to do that one. Your hair's cute.
oh, thank you,
You're
ma'am.
welcome.
So we just need the business certificates. Okay. I thought it was a class, but your class was fine.
Yes.
And then these are just cleanings. So I'll take a look and make sure there's no loose stones.
Okay.
And I'll pop those in the cleaner.
Alrighty. I should get my earrings as well that I'm wearing.
Why not? If you want to, you can. I'll clean those as well.
Actually, I gotta get rid of them.
Oh, okay.
Do you guys buy jewelry here?
I know our company does.
Okay.
So you can contact them. They make sure.
Okay. She's just checking it if any of the stones are loose.
I'm not sure if you can see. See that?
Uh-huh.
So that one's a bit loose. So if we clean this, it's a possibility because that vibrates
Okay.
that may come out.
Oh, wow.
That's why we check the stones just to be sure.
Right.
Because next thing you know, you got a missing diamond. It's our fault.
Right.
Yeah.
How much would something like that cost to tighten?
If we tighten your stone, I think it's 49.
I wonder what happened. I must have hit it. What normally happens first? Because I just had
You
a...
might have knocked it on something.
Yeah.
It's
I've had
common.
a few of those, yeah.
Yeah, when we do inspections, we do inspections every 6 months. So it's common.
Okay.
Titan for diamond is $68.99, but they'll do multiple stones. We'll go in and check.
Yeah,
the stones,
yeah, let's do
fix
that.
all of them.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I don't want to lose it. I'd rather pay to get it tightened and,
Oh, no, I
lose it.
understand.
Okay.
Watch my feed. If this is good, I'll drop it.
Okay.
So these are your copies here.
Okay.
So this is for it's for your diamond engine, that's tightening the stones, that's price after tax.
Okay.
And then this one here, that's the chain repair.
Okay.
And that's your price after tax there. So I'll circle those. They both will be ready tomorrow.
Same time tomorrow?
Same time tomorrow. Well, right, it's after 2. So it'll be 4.
Okay.
It may be done before then, so I'll write for them to call. I think I'm off tomorrow, so you might not see me.
Okay.
But you'll see the gentleman that was behind the counter earlier.
Okay. Sounds good. And the earrings, right? What I have in there? The earrings? Yeah.
Yes.
The clean earrings. Okay. Okay, guys. So I am done with the Jared portion of my day. I have to find somewhere. Put these in a smaller pocket of my handbag. I am really hurt because I had to leave my part of my wedding rings, which is the engagement ring, of course, because one of the stones were loose. So today I would just be rocking my wedding band. My nose okay? I'm sad. I do not like being without my wedding rings. But I am glad that I came today. I'm glad that I followed my first mind this morning, even though this was not part of my original plans for today. I was like, let me go get my necklace fixed because I am very attached to my wedding gifts. I wear them every day unless something is damaged or I'm just changing my jewelry per my outfit, event, etc. Turn this down. So yeah, I am a little torn by that. Babe, don't know yet, so I'm gonna call her and let her know about it. It's costing me, between the tightening of the diamonds and necklace repair, it's costing roughly about $150, give or take. So yeah, that's that for today. I'm definitely gonna need this coffee to stay up. The young lady there was super sweet. She loved my wedding ring. We talked about so much. I couldn't get everything on the vlog because had I got some stuff on the vlog, babe will be cussing me out because I'm always doing some sideways stuff. She's calling me again, guys, so stay tuned. I am on the way to Hobby Lobby. Peace. All right, y'all, so now I am at Hobby Lobby. Again, remember we talked about me coming in here to see if I can find the Christmas ornaments for the fireplace. Let me put my mask on and I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. Okay, yeah, so I am in here, and like I was saying, I am in here. My eyes are red, y'all. I thought I actually did get a really good night of sleep last night. I have had an exhausting last 2 weeks or so, and I did feel really rested. Let me check, because I am looking for some pompous flowers, being that we're changing the decor in the formal living room. I don't see it, but I thought I slept good last night, but I'm kind of feeling a little bit tired right now. But we gonna make it do what it do. All right, so I don't want to jinx it. I don't want to drink it yet, but although that's not what I even came in here for, but I figured why not see if they have it. They have a cute little selection. But not the color that I'm looking for. I'm going for more like a beige, ivory, or even maybe champagne. I could always spray paint some of this stuff, but I don't want to do all of that. That's not what I'm trying to do. These would have probably worked, but I don't know that they're long enough. I was trying to feel. They say $5.99, some say $10.99. Some say $7.99. Grab 3. I'll grab 3 and see. I actually like these also, guys. I'm trying to think about these. If I mix that with that, I think I like that. What do you guys think? One fell. What if I mix these? And that's what I think. I'm gonna go for it. Pants falling. My pants falling out. Stay tuned. I'm like, let me hurry up. Like I have all day. I still have to go home and clean up. And here I am just scrolling through here. But who doesn't when they come into Hobby Lobby? I'll be loving everything in here. And I still have to go to At Home and look at their pillow selection. So yeah. I should have brought my coffee in here because Lord knows I need it. We're here. This is really cute, guys. So these are sort of our colors and with a touch of ivory. So I am thinking these two and maybe this. What we're gonna go with. And everything is 50% off, although these are a little bit pricey. The larger one is 50. Actually, this is just 16. That's not bad at all. And this one is 20. Everything is 50% off. Stay tuned. Guys, they have this really, really cute reindeer. Uh-oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah, but the leg is broken. Yeah. Thank you.
No.
In here breaking more shit, y'all. You guys don't have any more of these anywhere, do you?
These here right here?
Uh-huh.
I can't say. Unfortunately, that's about
Just
the
have
only
to-
one. The only
So
time
whatever
we,
you have out is pretty much what you guys have?
Yeah, and it would be on this table
All right.
here. Sorry about that.
No
man.
problem.
Are you
If I
finding
could find a
everything?
leg, I would definitely get it still.
Yeah.
The missing piece,
A
yeah.
lot of them come back with their antlers off.
Right.
Their
Aw,
legs are missing half the time.
that sucks.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, I'll look around some more. Thank you. Yeah, I was saying, had I found that little piece that's broken up, I would definitely still buy it. I'm not sure what the hell this is, guys. This shit look like that, whatever that was in Mexico. What the fuck is this? I don't like it. All right. Y'all stay tuned. Make this happen. So far, we're looking good. Okay guys, so I love these. I'm gonna grab one of these. Look how cute the top is. These are also 50% off of $19.99. Not bad at all. And then I'm gonna grab one of these. Now these are a bit pricier. They're $35.99. $34.99. Love the top. And that is 50% off as well. I am doing pretty good. This would have been cute, but there's one problem. I'm gonna let y'all fill in the blank. There's one problem here. And I'm gonna leave it at that. These are really cute. Babe is probably going to kill me. I do not know why my lighting is that good. I guess it is looking a little gloomy out here. But yeah, I guess I can take this off now. I am super excited. This is why she should have just let me be, y'all. But she got all into the Christmas mood. That made me get into the Christmas mood. And here we are. Okay guys, so my battery went dead while I was packing the items in my trunk. Oh yeah, I got a glimpse of my little dimple. Because I am excited, guys. I love. This is a bumpy road I'm going by, so sorry if I'm like boom, 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 or whatever. Anyway, y'all can tell I'm excited. I love that I was lucky enough to get the color scheme that Babe and I have our heart set on. We really want to kind of bring the home decor all into one, and also, like I said earlier, change our colors in our formal living room. So I was very successful with my little shopping spree at Hobby Lobby. So stay tuned. I don't know if I'm going to make it a 2-part video or one, but if I get most of the cleaning done, Babe and I will put the trees up tonight. Love you guys. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, so look at the front porch, y'all. I ain't got so much going on. Baby's gonna kill me because I've been shopping. This is front decor, y'all. Oh, we're not done. Baby's gonna do a little bit more. I'm about to put this snowman up that I found somewhere here in the yard. And this badass dog, get out of that car. Let me show y'all my trunk. The battery died. Look at all this stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for the rest of this video. Journey, come here. You want to say hi? Come here, girl. Hold on, let me put our snowman up so he don't fall. Come here. Come here, girl. Come here. Get off out here. Here she go, guys. Say hi, Mama Bear. Say, Mama Bear gonna be 1 year old in 2 days. She gonna be 1 in 2 days. 2 days. Bye, y'all.